Welcome to Shop and Tech Review, and today I am going to compare these two mobiles. This is Moto G third generation and this is the MI4. Many people are asking for this comparison, but simply these two devices cannot be compared, but still I am comparing these two devices. So first of all, let's talk about the specification of this Moto G3. So it has got a 13 megapixel camera with dual LED flash, and it has got a 5-inch 720p HD display. It has got a Snapdragon 4110 chipset that's also support 4G, and it has got a dual SIM mobile. It's also a dual SIM mobile, and it has got a 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory. And let's talk about the MI4. So MI4 in the other hand got a very good processor like Snapdragon 81801 and 2.5 GHz processor, and it has got a 13 megapixel camera. It has got IR blaster like stuffs. It has got a 5-inch full HD display. You can clearly look at the difference between the two displays. There are many differences. You can see these view angles are great on this device, and this is not as good as this MI4, but and this device has got a 3 GB of RAM. So these are the two specifications of these two mobiles. So let's quickly take a look at the two mobile and its display quality. So first of all, I am going to show you the benchmark score of this mobile. So let's look at the benchmark. So I have already tested it, and somehow it is not showing here. It has got it to a score of 22,000, while the MI4 got a score of 42,000. So still it is much far better performer than the Moto G3. And let's quickly launch any app. So you can simply show that how quickly the app launch. So quickly launch the Flipkart app here, both the devices. So this is the older version, and this is the new version. So it's really open up the Flipkart browser very quickly, and so there's a lot of difference between these two mobile. And now simply take a photo of this mouse. So this is the mouse. So taken the photo here, and now quickly take a photo from MI4. So these are the two photos that are taken. So you can really show that there is a lot of difference between these two photos. So this photo looks far better than this. Look at that, it is not got details like this MI4 camera, and it is far better than Moto G3. So you can really cannot compare these two mobiles actually, because these two are very difference between these two mobiles, and you cannot really compare it. So that's all. That's one more thing that you will get. So some advantages also are there in Moto G3, because you will get a dual SIM mobile, you will get a 4G, and you will get a expandable memory card option that's are not available in this MI4. And on the other hand, MI4 has got a IR blaster like stuffs, and it has got a full HD display, and it has got a better camera. So there are many much things that it is a real. If you are looking for a real performer, then MI4 will be the best option for you. But if you want a dual SIM 4G mobile, and plus you want to carry lot of stuffs on your phone, then you should look for Moto G3, because it has got expandable memory option, and both the devices supported OTG cable, but that's not the case. But if you want a real performer, then MI4 is the first choice for you. And but if you are looking for a really good 4G device, then Moto G3 will be your choice. And one more thing, that some people are in our popular locality and does not like that brand like Xiaomi, OnePlus, and any other stuff like Chinese brand. But in Motorola is definitely a much popular brand than this Xiaomi or OnePlus. And so So for those people who don't want Xiaomi phones, then for those people who don't want OnePlus phones, this is the best choice available in the market under 14,000 rupees. This is only at 13 or 14,000 rupees, Moto G3. So that's all from today, and thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.